angles. When two rays, this is rays, BA, this is fixed point, and BC, these two are rays. When two rays or line segment meet at a point, an angle is formed. So this is angle. So BA is a ray, BC is a ray. When two rays or line segment meet at a point, an angle is formed. The symbol of angle is this one, and it is angle ABC. Now, very important 3 points of angle. Number 1, the two line segment or two rays are called arm of the angle. These two are arm. BA, BC, these two are arms of the angle. If we will write AB, it will be wrong. As both sides it has arrowhead, it means that we extend it endlessly. So always use BA, BC. These two are the arms of the angle. This is very important part. The two line segment or two rays are called arms of the angle. Here AB and not CB. Here AB, not AB. Now again I am telling you, I have written wrong, I am doing right. BA. This is BA and this is BC. So this is right. If you will write AB or CB, it will be wrong. So put it like that, BA and BC is two arms of angle. The meeting point of the arms of the angle is called vertex. So here B is the vertex. Always vertex is like that and angle is formed like that. So meeting point of the arms of the angle is called vertex. Now an angle is formed by 3 letters. The vertex point is always written in the center. Always an angle is like angle ABC. So vertex B is in the center always. If you will write angle BAC, it will be wrong. If you will write angle CBA, it is right. Both the way you can write CBA and ABC. So both are right. Always take angle in the middle and then write. But when you are writing arms, when you are telling arms, then you have to go like that, BA and AC. So these are 3 very important parts of angles. You have to take care of these 3 parts. According to that, you will form the angle and you have to name name the angles, name the vertex, name the arms. So you have to do it like that. Interior of the angle and exterior of the angle. All the points marked within the space enclosed by the arms. Enclosed by the arms. So this is the space. Inside the space enclosed by the arms, these points are interior of the angle. So point P, point S, point R. Point P, point S, point Q, not R. That is point Q. So these 3 points are interior of the angle. Once again I repeat, all the points marked within the space enclosed by the arms are in the interior of the angle. Point T, point S, point Q. Exterior, the point marked outside. The point marked outside. So point R, point M, point N. Point N. This is, they are called exterior of the angles. Closed and open figures. Closed figures, figures that start and end at the same point are called closed figure. So these are the closed figure. Open figures, figures that start at one point and end at another point are open figure. So these are the open figure. Polygons, figures made up of only straight line segments as their sides are called polygons. So triangle, square, rectangle. Triangle, 3-sided polygons. Square, 4-sided polygons. Rectangle, 4-sided polygons. Again, polygons are named according to the number of their sides. So these are the examples of polygon. Triangle, square, rectangle. A polygon having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. So a square and a rectangle are quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Q-U-A trilateral. So these are called QUADRILATERAL. So a square and a rectangle are called quadrilateral. Again, triangle, three-sided polygons, square, four-sided polygons, rectangle, four-sided polygons. So these rectangle and triangle polygon having four sides, they are called quadrilateral. So closed and open figure, polygons, and then angles. More about angle, that is exterior and interior of angles. So these are the point of angles. When you form angle, then you have to name it. So in our next term we will do this. In the given figure, name the angle. So here we have angle PQR. This is name the angle. We have to put symbol of this angle. Arms of the angle, that is QP. You have to put this like ray, fixed point and arrowhead. That is QP, one arm, QR, another arm. You have to put ray like that above that. Vertex, point Q. Point Q is the vertex. So this is in the given figure. Name angle. Angle is PQR, arms QP, QR and vertex Q. Same like that, we have to make it so many things like CDA. This is another figure, that is CDE. So here we have angle like that. This is CDA, this is E. So name the angle. So angle is, name the angle. Angle is CDE. Angle CDE. Another angle is EDA. Angle EDA. One more angle, that is CDA. Angle CDA. So arms of the angle, how to make it? Like angle DC. Put it side like that. Angle DE. Arm DE. Arm DA. And vertex is only point D. Vertex is point D. This is vertex.